Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to set permissions for your team members. Start by clicking on Settings in the left-hand panel. After that, click on Team Management. Here you will see a list of teams created under your workspace. Click on the team name for which you want to set or modify permissions. Now inside this team interface, you'll find all the members assigned to that team. You can remove a member by clicking on the three dots beside their number and clicking on Remove. You can confirm the removal by clicking on the Delete button. Removing a member from a team means excluding them from the responsibilities of the said team. You can also add a new member by clicking on this button to assign them the responsibilities of the said team by clicking on this button. Here, you can click on members to add to the team. You can select more than one member at a time. After that, you can click on Add Member. And just like that, the new members now share the responsibilities of the said team. Each member in Calilio can be assigned one of two main roles: admin or member. Admins have full access to the workspace and team. They can manage members, assign numbers, create teams, edit settings, etc. Whereas members have limited access. They can make calls, view assigned conversations, and collaborate within their teams, but cannot make administrative changes. Now, here's how you can change someone's role. In this panel, click on Members and find the team member whose role you want to update. Click on three dots beside their name and click on Change Role. You can either choose to make them an admin or a member from the option. This instantly updates their access permissions across the workspace. Similarly, you can also assign specific numbers to members to control which lines they can use. To do this, click on the three dots beside their name and click on Assign Number. Now, choose the numbers that they should have access to and click on Done. Remember, you can assign multiple numbers to one member or the same number to multiple members, depending on your communication structure. Setting proper permissions helps maintain security, accountability, and workflow balance in your organization. It ensures that sensitive information and settings are only accessible to those who need them, while keeping communication clear and organized. And that's how you set permissions for Calilio team members. By managing roles and access levels, you can keep your workspace secure and efficient, while empowering your team to perform at their best. If you ever need help managing permissions or roles, our support team is available 24/7 through the live chat box. Thanks for watching.